Hey class, it's Mr. Clay. How you guys doing? So today we're going to work on some addition problems, 3 single-digit numbers stacked vertically, and we're going to use our touch points, and this will be fun. We're going to work out a couple problems together. Okay, we're going to read the directions here. Follow along as I read the words, and I'll point to the words with my handy lightsaber. Here we go. Begin at the top of the column of numerals and use a pencil to touch and count the touch points in the correct order. Then write the answer. Okay, let's do 9 plus 1 plus 4. We're going to touch the touch points as we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 9 plus 1 plus 4 is 14. Okay, let's do a couple more. So now we're going to do 6 plus 7 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6 plus 7 plus 2 is 15. Okay, one more problem, and then you guys will be on your own. We're going to add 0 plus 9 plus 4. So the number 0 has a value of 0, meaning nothing, and so therefore there's no touch points on it, and we don't count it. So we're going to start on the number 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 0 plus 9 plus 4 equals 13. Okay, class, now go ahead and finish the other 12 problems. You can work them out on scratch paper and then have your parents take a picture and they can submit it to me. Thanks so much. Nice work. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.